उधर रॉकी भाई को कमाल बनाया था, यहाँ भाई साहब की एंट्री इतनी कमाल धमाल कर दी। रवि सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं। भुवन सर, we've done all the goody talks and everything now, थोड़ा spill the beans, किसने as a producer सबसे ज्यादा परेशान किया सर? And what was the most challenging thing for you, sir? Please tell us. You can name names.
So, as Samyukta said, we gave them a deadline of 1 year. That was in 2023. So, सबने equal parts परेशान की. किसी एक को blame नहीं कर सकते. सब मिला के
सब एक
टीम जैसा आते हैं.
The funny part is,
No, you can take it.
this is yours now. So he's a cool producer. So we had a tent. All the technicians, we used to sit there, and Bhuvan would appear sometime, at his own office time of 10:30, and then he knows that it's all where that suddenly the director's dream has gotten bigger, and any discussion of, oh, it's getting bigger, he'll smile. It is extended, he will smile.
I was always happy that it's getting extended because I was also supportive of it.
Yeah, he was.
Sometimes the blame is also on me.
उस मुस्कुराहट के पीछे कितना दर्द है क्या बताए, है ना? But thank you so much for doing this for all of us, all the cine lovers and Indian cinema. So thank you so much. निखिल भाई, quickly if I come to you, मुझे बताइए, आमची मुंबई में यहाँ पे आए हैं, सब जानना चाहेंगे हिंदी फिल्मों से किस तरह का राब्ता रिश्ता है सर आपका?
बचपन से मैं हिंदी सिनेमा देखते ही बड़ा हुआ हूँ, because I've grown up on Shah Rukh Khan sir, he's my favorite star obviously, I've been following him from circus and Fauji days. उसमें he has a dialogue which says I say chaps. I would go to my school and say I say chaps, and would be like, kya hai, what is this in Hyderabad? I would be like, this is from Fauji, Shah Rukh Khan, he's going to be a big star someday. And after that I've been following him, and what a career sir has had, and I think I'm like a huge Shah Rukh Khan sir fan. And also I've had a very good rapport with Anupam Kher sir in Kartikeya 2, and also I'm coming with a movie called India House next. Even in there Anupam Kher sir is doing a great role. So but right now Swayambhu, and as I said, Mukesh Khanna sir is here. I have loved him as Shaktiman, and it was very nice to work with him also. Yeah.
One question each to Nabha and Samyukta. Quickly, बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं ऐसा हिंदी फिल्म डेब्यू कब हो रहा है, कब देखने को मिलेगा कुछ ऐसा हिंदी फिल्म लाइक? ये तो पैन वर्ल्ड हो गया, लेकिन थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
Actual straight Hindi.
सीधे यस.
आप बोलो.
बोली दो.
आप बोलो.
आप बोली दीजिए. नबा, आप दोनों के लिए.
First, yeah.
अच्छा चलिए नबा, you tell us.
For now, I am committed to Swayambhu.
वाह.
It's coming in Hindi also, so
Yes.
that is probably my debut. बोल सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं?
ओए.
For you, Samyukta.
Yeah, I was shooting for a film which went through little delays, but soon you will get to know.
Her pauses are like, एकदम.
She already caution किया.
Already.